Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use calcium nitrate. This essential fertilizer delivers both calcium and nitrogen, crucial for healthy plant development. It's particularly effective at preventing common issues such as blossom end, rot in fruits like tomatoes and peppers. By strengthening cell walls and encouraging robust vegetative growth, calcium nitrate helps your plants thrive from the inside out, ensuring a bountiful harvest. Applying calcium nitrate is straightforward. For a soil drench, simply dissolve 1 tablespoon of the product into 1 gallon of water. Then, apply this solution directly to the soil around the base of your plants, repeating every 2 to 4 weeks as needed. If you prefer foliar feeding, use a half-strength solution and spray the leaves thoroughly, ideally in the early morning to allow for absorption before intense sun. Timing is key for effective calcium nitrate use. Start applying it when your plants begin to flower or if you notice any signs of calcium deficiency, such as stunted growth or yellowing leaves. Remember to adjust the dosage according to the plant's size and specific requirements. Smaller plants will naturally need less. Always be careful not to over-apply, as this can lead to nutrient imbalances or even burn your plant's foliage. Before applying, it's always a good idea to test your soil's pH, as calcium nitrate performs optimally in slightly acidic to neutral conditions, ideally between pH 6.0 and 7.0. Proper storage is also vital. Keep your calcium nitrate in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and any moisture to maintain its effectiveness. And speaking of freshness, if your car could use a little pick-me-up, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals. It's a simple way to keep things smelling great on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.